We're gonna do a tutorial on how you can replace your water pump from a Saab 95. We're gonna need to remove this first. You're gonna need to remove that nut right there and this one right here, so you can take this whole part out. There's also, see that right there, you're gonna need to remove that. You're gonna need to remove this. This is the motor mount. You need to take this. There's some more additional nuts right here, so you can take this whole thing out. And then you're gonna come and remove this piece. You're gonna remove this here, remove this as well. Just push it right out. You're gonna need to take out this bottom hose. The other ones you can leave them over there, and you can just unhook them from the other end that they attach to. And you're gonna need to remove this as well, okay, and this too. And when you remove this, first you're gonna remove this, and you're gonna move it out of the way so you can have enough space. And then you're gonna move on into removing your power steering, which is right there. And then finally you're gonna get to your water pump that's in there. To remove this, just use a flat screwdriver, stick it in there, and just pull it gently right out. And that should be coming out. Be careful not to break it. The next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen this. Be careful, there's gonna be fluid coming out of there, so make sure you put a plug right away. And then we're gonna continue on into removing these areas and this area. You're also gonna need a jack. When you take this piece out, you're gonna need to lift up the modem. If you don't do that, then your modem is gonna drop. So first, put some support underneath with a jack, and you're gonna need a bucket too, so you can catch your antifreeze when you open all this up. And also some of the fluid, it's gonna go out on your power steering. Okay. Now we got some items removed already. This is what we have removed so far. We're gonna unhook the belt. What we're gonna remove is this first, where you have this. We're gonna remove this first, which is from the power steering, and then it has a few nuts in there. There's 3 of them in here that you need to remove, and one last one here that you need to remove as well, right here. Then you take this out, and we go to the next step. Okay, we have removed the power steering already. This is the power steering. Now what we're gonna do next is remove this item here. There's a nut here, there's a nut here, and there's another one right here. And this is the water pump. So what you do with this water pump is that you need to unhook this, and there's a final nut right underneath there. You're gonna need to take that one out, and just take this one out. So take this out, that one right there, this is gonna come out too, and then just take it out. All right, we're almost through with this job. We just gotta remove this nut right there, and that nut right down there. That's the one. And that's the water pump. And this one, and there's one additional nut right underneath.